Joaquin na agad namang nilapitan si Ashley.
Yo,
I'm sorry for stopping you in the roadway.
it's okay.
I'm remorseful for my actions.
It's okay.
You good?
Sorry for interrupting you.
It's okay, I forgive you.
I forgive you too, bro.
Maya-maya pa sa di kalayuan, si Joaquin binahagi kay Heath ang nangyari.
I know that I could have told her to stop talking in a better way, in a more polite way.
At least it's okay na. Respect.
Si Ashley nagbigay ng saloobin sa kaibigang si Princess.
Biglang narinig ko, kinukwento niya kay Clifford, kinukwento niya kay Heath yung nangyari. So, if you're really sorry for what happened and you're still asking for validation, are you really sorry?
I told him na, sabi ko sa kanya na, why? Is it not disrespectful daw to interrupt?
Well, is it not disrespectful if you put your hands in front of somebody's
Exactly.
face?
That's what
And then tell them to not interrupt. You don't do this to someone.
Someone for them to...
And like, I'm also just...
Tapos,
Because he's forcing you.
The fact that he's
When I was
forcing you to
telling you,
answer the question or to
I
make
keep
a bet.
telling him na nandun.
Why does he have to tell that to
Other people.
Clifford?
To hit them.
sinabi din niya kay Clifford.
Ayoko na. Bro, it's about respect. And respect goes both ways, not one way.
Kaya po ako galit na galit. Lalo nang nalaman kong ganito, ayoko nang ginaganon, kuya. Pwede niyo naman pong sabihin ng maayos. Ayoko po talaga na may nangyayaring ganun, lalo na sa mga kaibigan ko, lalo na kay Ashley and Lela, kuya. Open po ako na pag-usapan siya or mag-usap kami, kuya. Kaibigan ko din bukas talaga si Joaquin. Ayun nga lang, may yung approach nga lang din niya, nakaka-intimidate.